Want to download the CapCut video editor on your iPhone? This video shows you how in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. To begin, you will first need to find and open the App Store on your iPhone's home screen. Once the App Store is open, you should tap on the Search tab located in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, you will need to type in the word CapCut and press Search. The official CapCut app, which is made by ByteDance, should appear as the very first result in the list. You can simply tap the Get button or the cloud icon next to the app to start the download process. Your iPhone might ask you to confirm the download with your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID before it begins. After the app installs, you just need to tap on Open, and you will start the app. You can now start to edit videos. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.